Water. The essence of life, the most fundamental element that sustains every living being on this planet. It is the silent force that nurtures and shapes our world, the lifeblood of our planet, coursing through the veins of the earth, bringing vitality and growth wherever it flows. Rivers, lakes and oceans are the arteries that carry this precious liquid, supporting ecosystems and human civilizations alike. A precious resource, essential for all living things. Every drop is a testament to the delicate balance of nature, a reminder of the intricate web of life that depends on it. Without water, the soil remains barren, and life struggles to take root. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, every creature depends on water for survival. It is the common thread that connects all forms of life, from the depths of the oceans to the highest peaks of the mountains. It sustains ecosystems, nourishes our crops, and quenches our thirst. Water is the lifeline of agriculture, enabling us to grow the food that feeds billions. It is the unseen force behind every meal we consume. Without water, life as we know it would cease to exist. The dry, cracked earth is a stark reminder of the fragility of our existence and the critical role water plays in maintaining the balance of life. Yet, despite its critical importance, we often take water for granted. We let it slip through our fingers, unaware of the luxury we possess. Every drop wasted is a lost opportunity to sustain life. We turn on the tap without a second thought, unaware of the journey it has taken to reach us. From reservoirs and rivers, through a complex network of pipes and treatment plants, water travels a long way to quench our thirst and meet our daily needs. We forget that water is a finite resource and our actions have consequences. Pollution, overuse and climate change threaten this vital resource, leading to devastating impacts on ecosystems and human communities. The time has come to recognize the true value of water, to understand that it is not just a commodity but a sacred gift that sustains life. We must cherish and protect it, for our survival depends on it. To understand that its conservation is not merely an environmental issue, but a matter of survival for all. It requires a collective effort, a shared responsibility to ensure that future generations have access to this precious resource. For when we save water, we save ourselves. We save our planet, we save the future. Every action we take today to conserve water is an investment in the well-being of our children and the health of our planet. Let us be mindful stewards of this invaluable resource for the sake of all life on Earth. From space, Earth shines like a brilliant blue marble, a testament to the vast oceans that cover our planet. These oceans, which make up about 71% of the Earth's surface, are crucial for maintaining the planet's climate and supporting a diverse range of life forms. They regulate temperature, generate oxygen, and provide a habitat for countless species. But the truth is, freshwater, the water we depend on for survival, is scarce. Despite the abundance of water on Earth, the vast majority of it is salt water, unsuitable for human consumption or agriculture. Only a tiny fraction, less than 3% of Earth's water, is freshwater. This small percentage is all that is available to sustain human life, agriculture, and the natural ecosystems that we rely on, and much of that is locked away in glaciers and ice caps, leaving an even smaller percentage accessible for human use. As global temperatures rise, these glaciers are melting at unprecedented rates, contributing to rising sea levels, but not significantly increasing our accessible freshwater supplies. This precious resource is under increasing pressure. Climate change, pollution and overuse are all contributing to the depletion and degradation of our freshwater sources. Population growth, industrialization and agriculture all place immense demands on our freshwater supplies. As the global population continues to rise, the demand for fresh water for drinking, sanitation and food production increases exponentially. We are drawing water from rivers, lakes and aquifers faster than nature can replenish them. The consequences are dire. Rivers are drying up, lakes are shrinking, and groundwater levels are dropping, leading to water scarcity in many regions around the world. If we do not take immediate action to manage our water resources sustainably, we risk facing severe shortages that could impact food security, health, and economic stability. Across the globe, a silent water crisis is unfolding. Rivers are running dry, lakes are shrinking, and groundwater levels are plummeting. This scarcity has far-reaching impacts affecting not only our environment, but also our societies and economies. Water shortages lead to conflicts over dwindling resources, force families to migrate in search of water, and impact food production, leading to hunger and instability. The crisis is real and it's happening now. The good news is that we can all be part of the solution. Conserving water is not just the responsibility of governments and organizations, it's something each of us can and must do in our daily lives. Simple changes, multiplied by millions, can make a world of difference. By adopting water-wise habits, we not only reduce our water footprint, but also contribute to a more sustainable future for all. Section 5. The power of a shower saving water at home. Our homes are often where we can make the most significant impact on water conservation. Small changes in our daily routines can add up to substantial water savings. Taking shorter showers, fixing leaky faucets, and using water-efficient appliances are just a few ways we can conserve water within our homes. By making water conservation a part of our daily lives, we can make a real difference. Section 6. From lawn to garden, outdoor water wisdom. Outdoor water use often accounts for a significant portion of our water consumption. By adopting water-wise gardening practices, we can dramatically reduce our outdoor water footprint. Choosing drought-tolerant plants, watering our gardens during cooler hours to minimize evaporation, and utilizing rainwater harvesting techniques are just a few ways to conserve water in our outdoor spaces. Section 7. Community action strength in numbers. Individual actions are essential, but collective efforts amplify our impact. Communities coming together to conserve water can achieve far greater results. Implementing water-wise landscaping in public spaces, organizing educational campaigns to raise awareness about water conservation, and supporting policies that promote sustainable water management are all crucial steps in community-driven water conservation efforts. Section 8. Global Inspirations, Success Stories in Water Conservation. Around the world, communities and countries are implementing innovative solutions to conserve water. Their successes offer valuable lessons and inspiration for others to follow. From ancient water harvesting techniques to cutting-edge technologies, the global community is demonstrating that with ingenuity and collective action, we can overcome water scarcity challenges. Section 9. Our collective responsibility, protecting our future. Water is a shared resource, and its conservation is our collective responsibility. We must move away from the mindset of abundance and embrace a future where water is treated as the precious and finite resource it is. Our actions today will determine the availability of water for future generations. Let us choose wisely and act responsibly. Section 10. Be the change, a call to action. The time for complacency is over. We can no longer afford to sit back and hope that someone else will solve the problems we face. The future of our planet, the future of our children and grandchildren depends on the choices we make today. Every drop of water we save, every action we take contributes to a larger global effort. It's time to turn awareness into action, to make water conservation a way of life. Simple changes in our daily routines can have a profound impact. Each and every one of us has a role to play. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, taking shorter showers, or using water-efficient appliances, our collective efforts can lead to significant water savings. Let us pledge to be mindful of our water usage, to adopt water-wise habits, and to educate ourselves and others about the importance of water conservation, and to inspire others to do the same. Share your knowledge, encourage your community, and lead by example. Together, we can make a difference. By working hand in hand, we can restore our rivers, lakes, and oceans to their natural beauty and health. Together, we can save water, save Earth, and create a sustainable environment where nature and humanity thrive in harmony, and secure a brighter future for generations to come. Let us act now for the sake of our planet and the well-being of all who inhabit it. power to change is in our